FTA.org.
She's an Army sergeant and a mother who has been facing tough challenges at home, but now she has one less problem to worry about.
Eyewitness News reporter Veronica Miracle shows us how some generous volunteers have helped change her life.
Army Sergeant Melissa Hooper is battle-tested. The single mother has been in the Army for 12 years, all while supporting her daughter, and she says at one point her addict ex-husband.
So when I finally got the courage to leave, I started from nothing. I had no car, no job, I just had a baby. I never finished my education, so it was a struggle.
As difficult as it was, Hooper went back to school to finish her degree. Her fellow soldiers were there by her side, supporting her on and off the front lines.
I never left the Army during a very difficult time because they were there for me. My sergeant and Sergeant Sagon did a lot to support me, knowing how difficult it was for me and what was going on in my life.
Recently, she got into Cal Poly Pomona, but without a car, Hooper wasn't sure how she would manage her busy life. Luckily, those on the home front made sure this soldier won't face any more conflict. With help from the Recycled Rides program, Caliber Collision restored a Volkswagen Jetta and gifted it to the single mother.
The opportunity that we're creating here today for somebody, it just really just gets to the hearts of the teammates, specifically those that have been in the position that Melissa's been in.
When I joined the Army, I just joined because I've loved the Army culture and I wanted to serve, you know, but seeing how much people appreciate that is so humbling, and I'm just so grateful.
Inside the car were even more gifts for Hooper and her daughter, like a laptop for school, a tablet, and a new bed for her little girl. The community paying Hooper back for her years of sacrifice and service.
I mean, it looks perfect, like fresh off the lot. It's new, but new to me, right? I love it, love it, love it.
Veronica Miracle, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
And an update on our break.